Yo, what is up everyone? Today I'm making a band script, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a band script in Scratch. So if you're wondering, also, if you're wondering where I've been, I actually cannot answer that question. I've been gone, it's just, I don't know why, I just hate editing, or I hated it. Now, but I'm actually gonna post this one. It's just, like, I'll make a video, I'll record, and I'll be like, I don't want to edit this, and I'll just completely scrap the whole thing. But yeah, so basically, let's get on with the tutorial. Wow. First thing I want to do is make a band screen. What the freak? Oh, backdrops. Oh yeah. So my last thing didn't save, and I made a whole tutorial, but it didn't save, and it signed me out of my Scratch account for whatever reason. Because Scratch is bugging right now. So yeah, let's just go. So yeah, and then you're just gonna go band 4. I'll go like reason, and then I'll just go I forgot how to spell duration. I think that's how you spell it, but okay, boom. So now that we have our band screen, I'm just gonna make it big and whatnot. There. And then duration. Now let's make a normal thing. Actually, no, not that. We'll just go like a black background. And we'll go like this. So yeah, now once you've made like a background, I'm just gonna change this to non-band screen. Non-band screen. Excuse me. Okay. And we'll change this to band and band screen. Band screen. Okay, so then we'll go when this flag clicked. Switch backdrop to non-band screen. Hang on. So then you're gonna go here, and you're gonna wanna go, I think we're gonna go if find if go, and then you go to username. Wait, no. Wait, why did I delete that? Hang on. There you go. There you go. Then you're gonna want to find the equal thing, and you're gonna want to put it here. And then I'm pretty sure. Oh, whoops. And then go here. And then you're gonna go ahead and go up here and then go username. And username, make sure it's the first ones. And then let me just try doing this. Angel. Oops. Angel 112. We'll go switch backdrop. Switch backdrop to band screen. And then once you've done that, for some people it doesn't work. Actually, here, I'll try this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it does work. And if I go like this. Okay, yeah, so it does work. Then make a thing. Band timer. Actually, yeah, band timer. Then we'll go. Actually, no, I can't copy that for whatever reason, but okay. So I'll go if this flag clicked. If. And then. Username. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot I have to do this. Oh, whoopsie daisies. Go like that. Oh my gosh, hang on. Don't just. Oh no, I can't copy that. Okay. Boom, and then we'll go. Username for the first two. Angel. Oh, whoops. Angel 112. And then the same for this one. Actually, yeah, we'll just go for now. For now, it'll just be that. But yeah. By the way, make sure if you are banning 2 people or more than 2 people, actually, if you're banning 1 person, get rid of the or and just add this. And then once you've done that, go variables. Oh yeah, when that clicked hide variable, and then if that show variable, we'll go set variable to, let's just go 60 seconds, so a minute. And then we'll go change variable by -1, and then we go like this. We go forever loop, and then, oh wait, no, you don't want to do that. Yeah, it'll go like this. Change my variable, set that, and then we'll go show my variable. Okay, and then we are gonna rename the variable. Oh yeah. Oh, whoopsies. Okay, well it does work, but let's set that back. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, there we go. There. Okay, so my variable. Make sure you add a thing. Wait 1 second. So now let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, the band thing works perfectly. Okay, so that's why it wasn't working. It signed me out of my account and I couldn't save anything, so I lost all my progress on this project. So I had to re-record this a second time. Or I had to record it a second time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save it just to be sure. And then boom, that's a perfectly functioning band thing. I do recommend, just do this. I would recommend just setting it like that, and then actually, yeah, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Then we'll go. We have to find the if thing. If there's an if, wait until no. Then yeah, we can just go if my variable. Oh my gosh, bro. If actually, oh wait, yeah, that works. If go operators. If I need to thing. If that, and then we'll go variable. My variable. Oh crap. How did I do that again? Oh, it's the equals thing. So we'll just do this. I don't know if this is gonna work properly, but we will try it. By the way, this saves like however long you're at, so that's cool about this. But if you were to do like I don't want to explain it now because I'm gonna confuse myself. I don't know how I'll confuse myself, but I just will stutter. Trust me, it will end well. Let's go like that, and then we'll go variable, my variable. If my variable is at 0, how would I do that? Hang on, I'm trying to think. Because I'm by the way, I'm doing this without like I'm doing this basically like I didn't plan this at all. I didn't make the script. I am just testing it as this video goes. So, yeah. That's kind of crazy, but yeah. So anyway, back to the thing. So we'll go if my variable. How am I gonna do that? If my variable is 0, I'll just go, how am I gonna do this? Hold up, how am I gonna do that? I'm thinking with all my head right now. If it's, holy crap, how am I gonna, if it's, is there a thing that says like number? If it's, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? Yeah, how am I, what if I do if it's, actually, yeah, here, we'll go like this. We'll move this down here. If my variable is at, we'll try this. If it's at 0, then we'll go. And, wait. Oh, wait, you can't do that, okay. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't save. Well, I'll fix that, but let's just make this timer go down a little bit so we don't have to wait as long. We'll go like 7 seconds, that's good. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That doesn't in fact work. If my going to, I'm starting to go insane, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, when that, yeah, okay, what if I did this? When this flag clicked, wait. Let's reset. Okay, please work. I'll do the username thing after. Wait, if it works, then it works. I'm not using the username before. Let's just see it. Oh. Okay, it should wait 60 seconds. I'm gonna do it. I don't care if it's like a second off, people will probably be like, oh yeah, it's probably just a server resetting, so you're on ban. But if this doesn't work, then it'll be really sad. You're gonna move the ban duration ban for, or not 60, you're gonna move it to 3. Because I recommend doing that. Okay, I'm gonna blow that. Yes, it worked. Oh my gosh, that was, if you don't know, that was like 26 minutes wasted because I'm making a tutorial on how to do this. But yeah, that's how you make a manuscript. And before you do anything, I know there's gonna be someone, depending on how popular this video gets, that's gonna be like, wait, but it waits 60 seconds again doing that. But here, trust me, here, let me show you. And basically, if you want, you might have to copy this, which for some reason, if it's for me, I can't copy this. If this is there, I can't copy anything. But you might just have to rebuild the script, and depending on, well, actually, yeah, it just depends on who you want to ban. Like if you're banning someone permanently, then just spam a whole bunch of numbers for like up until it starts stretching the screen, because that's really the only way that you can permanently ban someone. Or at least that's the way. Unless you just did a forever loop of, I think set ban duration. Yeah, if you were to do a forever loop of set ban duration to 60, just forever loop, it should work. Or you can maybe change, like if you can type here. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can. It does work. Or no. I was looking at the second thing. Can you? No, you can't. But basically, you'd have to just put like a message or something that says you've been banned forever, or like you've been banned indefinitely or something like that. But don't say you've been IP banned, because a lot of people will. I know people that like don't know what an IP ban is, and if you don't know, basically an IP ban is. So you have, in your router, you have an IP, right? It's like an IP address, and that's basically your internet. I don't want to break it down because it's gonna take too long for me to do that. But if you like get IP banned, or yeah, if you get quote IP banned, you can't play the game that you've been IP banned in, on your internet. So like if you switched to another person's internet and you changed and you made a new account, then you'd be able to do it. But like that's for Gorilla Tag though. Yeah, basically that's how you do it. Let me just make this. So if I'm gonna do this, if, and I'll go if that, or if, and then we'll go, nope, wait. And we'll go username and username. You could probably make a whole PlayFab screen out of this. Actually no, it would be really hard to do. I don't know how to do it, but I might make a tutorial. I'm gonna do a lot of experimenting with this method of banning. If username, yeah, and then you just do the usernames and it should work. But yeah, that's basically how you make a ban screen in Scratch, or like just a banning system in Scratch. Comment down below if you want any tutorials, and if I think the tutorial's cool, I'll reply to your comment. I'll be like, okay, yeah, if it doesn't work out, then you won't see any videos, and I'll alert you about it on this comment. Or I'll just say, if it's like really hard and I don't know anything about this, how to script that, I'll try to watch tutorials and research about it. But if I can't do anything, then I'll reply saying it's not possible, or I just can't do it. I don't know how to. But I'll try to research ideas as much as possible, and if I can't do it, I'll just say it's not possible, or I just don't know how to do it. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a pretty boring video, but I need to get something out there, okay? Like, it's just, I have to. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, I guess, soon. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.